Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. This is our model. For modeling this component, I am going to use this dimensions. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then do the remove material feature. So this is the diagram I am going to use it to model this component. Now we'll model this component using NX. Just go to the NX, File, New, choose Model. Our units are in millimeter, choose millimeter, specify the file name and specify the location, then save OK. Now we'll start modeling from the center portion. Now just go to the sketch, select this front plane, then save OK. First start with the circle, just take the circle, press the roller to confirm. Now select this dimension. The diameter is, here they have specified as 50 diameter. So just 50, enter the value of 50, say yes, press the roller to confirm. Now we have created the circle, then go for finish sketch. Now we extrude. The total length of extrusion is 90 mm. So make here as a symmetric value, specify the value of 90, then save OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have created the center cylinder portion. Then we'll create this portion. For that, go to the sketch again. This surface. Here, change the direction. The same view you will be getting it. Then save OK. Now, take the circle again. Select the center point. Select it here. Now the outer edge diameter is 98. Just click it here, specify the value of 98, say yes, press the roller to confirm. Now, we just want to create one more circle. First we will extrude this one, just finish the sketch, go for extrusion, change the direction. So inside, we just make it unite, it is 15 mm. Then save OK. Now we'll create holes. That holes we'll create it later. Now we'll create this feature. For that, just go to the sketch again, select the surface, then save OK. Now take the circle, just create the circle here, press the roller to confirm. Now specify the diameter. Here they have specified the radius is 15. Just click it here. The diameter is 30. Say yes. Press the roller to confirm. Now center from here to here is 50 mm. So from this point to this distance is 50. Just enter it. Now just mirror the circle. Select the circle. Go for mirror. Select the center line, this one, save OK. Then we just want to create a circle here with a radius of 30 mm. Take the circle, this point, just create here. The radius 30 means diameter is 60. Just enter it, press the roller to confirm. Now we just want to create a line with the tangent to this one. Take this profile from this point to here. It should be tangent. Press the roller again from this edge to here, it should be tangent. Press the roller again. The same way you just create it here also, from here to Ctrl Z, from here tangent line, press the roller again. Similarly from here to here, it should be a tangent line. Press the roller again. Now just remove the unwanted edges by using a delete segments or trims. Delete this one, this one, this one. Then close it. Now just finish the sketch. Go for extrude. It is going for outside. Change the direction. Inside the thickness is 15 mm. So okay. Now we have created all the material addition feature. Now we will go for the material remove feature. First take the hole. First create the center hole with the diameter is 35. This one, the diameter is 35. Normal to the face. Until next, subtract, just apply it. Then close it. Then we just want to create a hole here. For that, take the sketch, select the surface, then say OK. Just finish the sketch. Just delete this one. The orientation came differently. Now just take the sketch again. Select the surface. Here it is coming left side, this red color arrow. Just right click here, reverse the direction. It is coming right side, then say OK. Then you will get the same position. Now take the circle again. Put the circle here. Here you can see there are 10 hole of diameter 10 with a 16 nose. So just diameter is 10. Say yes. And the center distance is, here they have specified diameter is 70. That means the center point of the hole to the axis is 35. Press the roller to confirm. Now we have specified everything. Just finish the sketch. Go for extrude. Change the direction. Until next, make it here as a subtract. Apply it. Then close it. Now we have created one hole. Then we'll go for the circular pattern. Use the pattern feature. If you are not getting this pattern, just go for menu, insert, in associate copy. Here we can take a pattern features. Now select the feature which one you want to make a pattern. Extrude 10. Specify the vector is the y1. Here there are different options. Now we just going to use count and span. Span is 360 degree and count is 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3 and this side also be 1, 2, 3. So then just apply it. Now you got a 6 holes. Then close it. Just hide these sketches. Then we just want to create a hole here. For that just take the hole. This edge you choose. Or specify the diameter of the hole is 12 mm with the two nose. Specify the diameter is 12. Now take it here, place it here, 12. Similarly here also you just keep it 12. So normal to face. Until next, subtract, just say OK. Now we have created the complete model. Just rotate and have a look once. Here it is diameter is 10, here the diameter is 12. Now we have finished this model. I hope you like this modeling. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For next tutorial, we'll come up with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.